Hi all. Today we are going to discuss the lead code problem, which is jump game, which is a similar version of the jump game previous version. Previous question. Here it states that we are given a zero indexed array of integers nums. That means the nums array starts with the zero index of the length n, and we are initially positioned at nums of 0. Each element nums of I represents the maximum length of a forward jump from the index I. In other words, if we are at nums of I, then we can jump to any nums of I plus j position where 0 is less than or equals to j less than or equals to nums of I, and I plus j less than n. We have to return the minimum number of to jumps to reach the nums of n minus 1. That means the last index. So the implementation goes as follows. Here, if we take nums, the first example, nums 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, the output is 2 because here, if we consider 2, because the from here only the iteration starts. So if we consider 1, 2, we will reach here. From here we can reach here 1, and from here we can reach to the final last index. Here we are from 2 we are taking 2 gems. So the output will become 2 because from 2 we can easily reach to the last element. Here in the second example, we are starting from 2, 1, 2. Here we are reaching 0, but in the question it is given that the index here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we take from 2, we will reach here, and the index of this element is 2. From here we can easily, with the help of its index, we can reach to 4. So the minimum number of jumps required in this case also 2. So the output is 2. Here also, if we jump from 2, 1, 2, here the index value is 0, 1, 2. So 2 plus 1, 3, which already exists this. So we can consider even that also. So the minimum number of gems required in this case also 2. Based upon the value and as well as the index in which it is present, we are calculating the minimum number of gems. The code implementation is, we have to take first length of the array nums, and it is stored in n, and if the length n is less than or equals to 1, then the 0 gems are required, so directly the 0 is being returned. And as in this case, the starting length is equals to, starting value is equals to ending value. Here, other than that, if the n is greater than or equals to 2, this uh, this code will effectively comes into picture, where jumps is equals to 0, current end is equals to 0, farthest is equals to 0. Jumps is used to calculate the minimum number of jumps, and the current end is used to calculate the current index, and the farthest is used to calculate how far the jumps will go. That is the farthest position. Index, that means it also stores the index where the farthest position it can go. For of I in the range of n, farthest is equals to max of farthest comma I plus nums of I, because we are even considering the index as well as the value which is present in the array. This value indicates how far the pointer will go to reach the maximum. So if I is equals to current end, that means jumps plus is equals to 1, and current end is equals to farthest. If we have reached the current jump range, then this condition will work. And the current end indicates the value that has been currently uh, been held. That means here the value currently is being held is 2, and after 2 jumps 1 2, the value currently being held is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So if the current end is greater than or equals to n minus 1, that is if it reaches this value, or if it goes beyond this, the break condition, we have to break the loop, as we have already reached the condition, that is minimum number of jumps. We are recording jumps here by +1 while recording the current end. So we will return the minimum number of jumps possible here. So we will run this code. Thank you.